With camera to. Paano ka? Hi.
Every man has its own special.
How's your feeling before the show?
Nervous, of course.
Spell nervous.
Kabado.
Okay ka pa.
Joke sa dressing room.
Yan, having butterflies.
Of course, ay ang guest niya, si Livora. Ay, hindi ka ba? Guest ka ba?
Yeah.
Ano yung...
She's also my beauty
Ano ka, tabulator? May contest.
My beauty consultant.
So why make it east
With the back up?
Make it west on me ba?
Of course, from the 80s,
Title.
Cheryl Cow. With Maris.
Ako na naman.
The Born Half Crazy Collection. And of course, ang one of the bestseller, Bold Star of Seiko
Pang
Film.
FYI.
Parang libro. Bestseller of FHM.
Author talaga.
Is Joyce, yeah, the leader of the band Joyce and the Magic Four. With the carrier single, pagdating ng school bus.
Pagdating ni Manong.
Pagdating. And of course, the makeup artist.
Manong.
And of course, the PA. Yeah.
Dati siyang P7.
Dati siyang P9. Ngayon ay PA na siya. Of course, the star of the show, Dax Maniacs. Andiyan ang maduli mo?
Lugay?
Andiyan ang maduli ni Dax. Mami, baka na pwede. Di ba na, andiyan ang maduli ni Dax. St. Peter, ikaw pa ba?
Saan ako po?
Mother, baka na pwede na makain.
Hidden.
Ha?
Hidden.
Yan. Ano mo?